The Shillong Heart Clinic welcomes Dr. Amethyst Bauman, consultant interventional cardiologist, formerly of Medanta, the Medicity. From preventive care to advanced cardiac procedures, your heart is in safe hands. Book now at 9863050899.
Uba Dunbok Dakar, President of New Trap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, Habagran Hagajilang Pajba, Blockot Penlong, the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization, Komso, Hakarway Tregulber Ajapan Rio, Hamad Pran, Ban Panpao Jinkershan, Judgment Rio Karo, Hagajingele Ban Pakangi, Bomday Rulum, Nagabay Shimantane, Khunagi, Election MDC, Shagaro Hills Atenmos District Council, Ula Birmingham Poiwir, Ktien Hindi. Kani kecing lang la penlong hading kecing syahir thma ki jai benriu karo hakamit khandai trek ulber aja penriu daki bom dai rulum ki ba persya ek sin jam ki rulum karo ki bala pakang thep kerteng US motor mominen hakapor mensngi ubatmu yakon ki election MDC sha GHADC na Shamnagar MDC constituency.
First of all, I would like to begin by thanking the organization Komso in collaboration with our brother. I wouldn't say people of Garo, but you are our same brethren, because we are living in the same state. Just now I got one WhatsApp message saying that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya announced that they postponed the GHADC election. That is the one achievement to the Garo people. Secondly, I would like to repeat that remember that we will stand for our right, but this is the high time that we will snatch our right, but we will not beg for our right. It is true or not? We should understand that this history repeat again. In 20 June 1952, the same thing happened when they nominate 3 non-tribal in Khasi Hill and Jainti Hills, Autonomous District Council. So since I am giving my friends, they told me to give a short speech. But the main thing I want to say to my brother, that we will stand united as we are here to protect our motherland. Because you have seen those so-called Bangladesh or alien, they rape our mother, but our leader, they forgot, they neglect. So we, as the youth of the Meghalaya, it is our duty to protect our motherland. Am I right? Yes. So are you ready to fight? Yes. I know we don't have gun, but we have with hand and fist. Like Kyrwoh people in 1829 and 1833, along with Tirot, they fought together and chased away the British. Will do the same to chase all these illegal immigrants coming to our state. We will not surrender. And I'll speak in Hindi to those illegal immigrants right now, face to face. ये राज्य कोई अंजू पंजू का राज नहीं है, बल्कि ये एक शेर का राज है. पन्ना पन्ना छान के देखो 1829 से 1833 तक तुम लोग ने आंख में हाथ लगाया है, देख अब क्या होगा. I convey this message to the government, to the Meghalaya demonic alliance. I have seen through different notification that you seek help from the Indian Army. Remember, Indian Army are to protect the country, not to protect the inner metal of our right. This is our clear message, and I would like to say once again, so like I said just now, Achika Song and New Trap, we are brothers. Let's say the same at the same time. Thangba China. Achika Song! New Trap Song!
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la ai khan diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balai hi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing man toy ba kong san ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam da ki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f manta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya